Hi there and welcome back. Let's review Parkinson's disease today. Parkinson's disease, primary or idiopathic Parkinson's disease or a PD, also known as paralysis agitans, is a chronic progressive neurodegenerative disease characterized by both motor and non-motor symptoms. Parkinson's is a progressive idiopathic movement disorder occurring mainly in the elderly due to degenerative changes in the central nervous system. Parkinsonism refers to physical findings that resemble Parkinson's disease which result from other central nervous system diseases of the elderly or from secondary causes such as adverse reactions to medications, toxins, illness or brain injury. Nerve cell damage in the brain causes dopamine levels to drop, leading to the symptoms of Parkinson's. Motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease are caused by loss of dopamine producing brain cells. Inflammation, oxidative stress, genetic and environmental factors are suspected contributing factors. So let's talk about the symptoms. Primary motor symptoms like slow movements, bradykinesia, resting tremor, rigidity, postural instability or poor balance, plus motor features also generally you will see are speech impairment, masked facial expression, shuffling, short step gait and stooped posture. And non-motor symptoms may include memory loss, dementia, dysphagia, urinary frequency or incontinence, constipation, anxiety and or depression. How about the diagnosis? There is no diagnostic test for the PD or the Parkinsonism, and the diagnosis must be made by assessment of motor function findings on physical examination. There are no confirmatory blood or imaging tests. However, medication challenge test or say if symptoms improve with PD medication, the diagnosis is likely. And MRI or CT may help for diagnosis by exclusion. Treatment consists of medications to increase dopamine plus antidepressant plus cognition enhancing medication and anti-tremor. Therapy is helpful only to improve symptoms and does not decrease the mortality associated with PD or Parkinsonism. Surgical treatment is reserved for PD patients who have exhausted medical treatment or who suffer profound motor fluctuations due to drug effect wearing off and or dyskinesias. So as appropriate, deep brain stimulation, thalamotomy and pallidotomy may be considered. Statistics. Parkinsonism usually starts between the ages of 40 and 70 and progresses steadily over years, eventually causing severe physical disability. The incidence increases with age. It affects one person in 1,000 and in those over 60, 1 in 100. PD affects over 1 million people in North America and 5 million worldwide. In the United States, 60,000 new cases are diagnosed each year with PD. So, how do we underwrite? Focus on idiopathic or secondary type symptoms, rate of progression of the disease, and extent of disability as you read medical records, and correlate all these details. Rate of progression varies dramatically from case to case, and there is no predictor of progression. Severity of both motor symptoms and dementia independently predict mortality risk. Earlier age of onset is associated with increasing earlier age of death. Mortality risk is associated with complications such as falls, choking, pneumonia, psychosis, and all that. Finally, plug these details into your underwriting manual and company specifics to move forward. So with that being said, let's take a break here and see you soon. Take care. Bye now.